Hello friends. No consideration, no contract. This is also a short note which is asked for 8 marks. Generally in unit 1 any question from consideration is asked. Let us see this question in details. First, introduction. What do you understand by the meaning of the term consideration? Consideration means something in return. When we buy or sell something, what we get is known as consideration. It is written as quid pro quo. Students, you have to write this so you will get good marks. For example, writing example is always important for scoring more marks. Price is a consideration for the promise to sell the goods. Next, need for consideration. It is the base of a contract. Therefore, according to Indian Contract Act, any agreement without consideration is void. Means there must be consideration and one has to get something in return. Therefore, the question or the rule says that no consideration, no contract. Next, however, there are many exceptions to these rules. Let us see each and every of them in detail. These exemptions are recorded in the section 25 and 185 of the Act. The first exception is for love and affection. Love and affection means a written and a registered agreement based on natural love and affection. Both near relationship is enforceable without consideration. Here, students, you have to understand what do you mean by the term near relationship. Means the person should be close related with another person. For example, a father promises his son to give scooter if he gets 70% of this promise is registered and writing by his father, and if his father does not give, then then the son can sue in the court of law. Therefore, it is an enforceable contract. Now let us see the next point in detail. Compensation for voluntary services. When some person does a voluntary service, that is service done voluntary without any contract, and the promisor promises to pay compensation, such a promise is enforceable. Here also you have to understand the example so the concept becomes very clear. For example, Mr. A dog is lost and the promise to pay 5,000 to Mr. B if he finds, then such contract are enforceable contract. Now, at the next topic, promise to pay time bar debt. Debt means when a debtor promises to pay time bar debt, which means the debt which is not paid for more than 3 years. Such a debt is known as time bar debt. Now you have to know that if a debt or a debtor promises to pay time bar debt in writing and it is signed by him, then it is an enforceable contract even though there is no consideration. Okay, next point. Fourth point, agency. If you want to become an agent, then agency, then no consideration is necessary for creating an agency. This is a very simple point. Let us see next point in detail. Completed gift. What do you understand by the term completed gift? Gift means which is already given. If a gift is given on birthday, then payment for the same is not necessary. Therefore, no consideration is needed. Similarly, in next point, charitable subscription. When one person promised to give charitable subscription and based on this promise another person makes a commitment, then it is valid and enforceable. Next point. This is the end of the video. Please review this video during exams or for test in your classes for better marks. Please share this to your brothers and sisters also for the best output. All the best for your exams. And for more revision, most important thing, please check our channel on YouTube, Pranav Classes. Thank you.